Based on the concept map, the strings or it signifies that the Earth systems are connected one way or another, and the woman seen on it correlates to how Earth is referred to as Mother.
An atmosphere is the layers of gases surrounding a planet or different celestial body. Earth's environment is composed of about 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, and 1% different gases. The solar heats layers of the surroundings, inflicting it to convect using air motion and climate patterns around the world. The carbon cycle is nature's way of reusing carbon atoms, which journey from the atmosphere into organisms in the Earth and then lower back into the atmosphere repeatedly. Most carbon is saved in rocks and sediments, whilst the relaxation is saved in the ocean, atmosphere, and dwelling organisms. The natural carbon cycle is to go with the flow of carbon naturally at some stage in the globe in a variety of forms, such as carbon dioxide or methane. The natural carbon cycle stays vastly almost in balance. Animals and plant life emit CO2 into the atmosphere through respiration, whilst plant life take it in through photosynthesis. The biosphere is a global ecosystem composed of residing organisms, and the abiotic, elements from which they derive electricity and nutrients. It requires strength, life to preserve the shape of organisms with the aid of the formation and splitting of phosphate bonds. The biosphere is a slender area of the Earth, the place land, water, air have interaction with every different essence life. It is in this region that existence exists. There are various species of organisms that differ in size, from microbes and microorganisms to giant mammals. Biochemical cycle, any of the herbal pathways by means of which necessary factors of residing rely transmit. Elements inside biochemical cycles fall in a number of varieties from the non-living aspects of the biosphere to the residing elements and back. The geosphere is the scientific title for the strong components of a planet. In earth science or geoscience, the geosphere refers to the components of our planet that are strong, like the mantle and crust. The liquid and gaseous components are referred to as the hydrosphere and atmosphere. Beyond these parts, the geosphere is about processes, the approaches of the rock cycle such as metamorphism, melting and solidification, weathering, erosion, deposition, and burial are accountable for the steady recycling of rocks on Earth between sedimentary, igneous, and metamorphic states. Air, land, water, and life are all interconnected. The distinctive structures of Earth, defined as the atmosphere, biosphere, hydrosphere, and lithosphere. These structures work collectively to create our world. The lithosphere, which consists of all the cold, hard, steady rock of the planet's crust, the warm semi-solid rock that lies underneath the crust, the heat liquid rock shut to the center of the planet, and the rivers iron core of the planet. These subsystems are interconnected by way of strategies and cycles which, over time, intermittently store, seriously change, and or switch. Matter and power for the duration of the entire Earth machine in approaches that are ruled by way of the legal guidelines of conservation, of be counted, and electricity.